Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Monday. Today is December the 22nd. Yes, we're almost into Christmas time. My favorite part about Christmas is the day after. So anyway, guys, happy Monday. We are out here in Duluth, Georgia. This is actually a repeat client. This is Mrs. Barbara. She's been using us for the last 3 years, and she called me almost every time for the last 3 years to do her wood floors, just clean them, okay? But this time, she also noticed that we also do countertops, so we're also going to be doing her granite countertops today. Then after this, we got to go do another cleaning buff in Alpharetta. So we're in the same area today. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going on this beautiful Monday. All right, guys, so today is Monday, December 22nd. We are out here in Duluth, Georgia. Miss Barbara, again, been using us. This is her third time using us around Christmas time to do her wood floors. Now, the first time I did them, she had a lot of wax on them, boner, and then she just keeps them maintained for the next 2 years. So her floors are not bad. So she just, again, people understand the importance of maintenance. So we're going to be doing this area again with clean and buffing. Her office. Also, we're also doing her granite countertops. All right. But her wood floors, guys, again, these are engineered. They're not bad at all. The first time we removed a lot of wax from them. And then here, Tavares is setting up. And then here, and what we usually do to slide the seats and the chairs back and forth. All right, guys, well, we're going to go ahead and get started and take care of Miss Barbara and then get to our next job, again, which is in Alpharetta, which is far away. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Same trust, I've been holding it down all along. Engineered floors, yeah, we keep them right. Cleaned up, shined up, looking good every time we slide through life. She said, Courtney, let's try something new. Granite countertops, yeah, I trust with you. No pressure, no doubt, just polish and seal. When loyalty talk, that's when business get real. I don't chase clients, I build them for years. Respect and consistency louder than fear. Same key, same door, new shine in the room. When they call you back, that's how you know you're moving. Same client, new shine, let it glow, let it gleam. From the floors to the stone, yeah, we live in that dream. Clean buff, polish and seal, watch it come alive. If she keep calling back, that mean I'm doing something right. Same client, new shine, hear the rhythm, feel the vibrant. It looking brand new, floor still certified. Bob your head slow, let the groove tell the truth. Real work, real trust, yeah, that's proof. Got a mirror when the light is just right. Countertop talking back like, yeah, I'm tight. Asian strings humming while I work that stone. Old school soul with a modern tone. Jazz in my step, country slanging my speech. From the city to the suburbs, yeah, the method still teach. I don't rush the process, I respect every phase. That's why she keep me booked year after days. Ain't no gimmicks, ain't no fast talk sales. Just clean hands, good work, and stories that sell. When the client smile, why said I'll call you again. That's the real paycheck, let it sink in. Same client, new shine, let it glow, let it gleam. From the floors to the stone, yeah, we live in that dream. Clean buff, polish, seal, watch it come alive. If she keep calling back, that mean I'm doing something right. Same client, new shine, hear the rhythm, feel the vibrant. It looking brand new, floor still certified. Bob your head slow, roll, let the groove tell the truth. Real work, real trust, yeah, that's proof. Listen to that stone talk, babe. Soft strings flow while the bass stay fat. No rush, just finesse, let the polish glide. When you do it with pride, the work testifies. Same client.
that is gonna do it. We are done. Miss Barbara loves, well, we've been doing this. This is the third time we've been doing it. She gets it done every year. And plus she loves her countertops. Countertops, the first time doing the countertops. It looks amazing. Alrighty. All right, guys, so we're done. We're gonna go ahead and head to our second project, which isn't far away in Alpharetta, Georgia. And all right, guys. Got her office done, and also the masters. And it also has a master bathroom that we did as well. All right, guys, see you in the next one.